In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your own music to a Canva video. This is an awesome way to personalize your projects and make your content truly stand out. Canva's user-friendly tools make it super easy to include your own custom audio, whether it's background music, a song, or even your own recording. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Canva and navigating to your video project. Make sure you're on the editing page where you'll see all the tools neatly organized on the left-hand side. Next, click on the Uploads tab. This is where you can bring in your own files, images, videos, and of course, music. Once you're there, click Upload Files. A window will pop up allowing you to select the music file from your computer. Find the track you want to use, select it, and click Open to begin uploading. Depending on the size or length of your audio, it may take a few moments to finish. Once it's uploaded, you'll see your track appear under the audio section in Canva. Now it's time to add your music to the video. Go to the Audio tab on the left menu where you'll find your uploaded file along with Canva's own sound options. To include your music, simply drag your JSet and drop the track onto your video timeline. You can adjust where the music starts and ends by dragging the track within the timeline. This helps you sync the sound perfectly with your visuals. Think about how the tone and rhythm of your music match the story you're telling in your video. And that's it. You've successfully added your own custom music to your Canva video. It's a quick, simple process that can instantly elevate your content and make it feel more professional and personal. Don't be afraid to experiment with different tracks until you find one that fits just right. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create videos that truly resonate with your audience. Happy designing and happy editing.